today I am changing my filter, and I wanted to share the things that I do in my home. Of course, there will be plenty of videos. I'm going to replace the shower filter. I know you see that big old white thing right there. I guess, I would imagine it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but I'm going to replace it. Put the replacement in. You hear it. I like to shop local whenever I can instead of always shopping on Amazon, but you can get it on Amazon, and I will put this in the description if YouTube doesn't link it, because I see they're doing that on YouTube now. This new Wave Enviro shower filter replacement, and that is the filter up there, and it comes in like a chrome material, and then it comes in this white material. Well, I will remove the head because I bought a new shower head, and I am going to then take down the filter and put the replacement in. So I'm going to separate it, and it goes the filter. I'm going to separate this, and then I'm going to attach the new shower head, and then I'm going to put this back. And I had to twist this open, and as you can see, you see this is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, just disinfect everything, clean it before I put in the new filter. And then you just put it in, you close it, you twist it back, and then you put it back up there. It's nice and clean because I cleaned it and disinfected it. And now I'm going to put the new replacement in it. So I'm going to take it, and it looks the same on both sides, as you can see inside, and then you screw it back. That is it. I'm going to put some new tape around it just because I want to put some new tape. I hope you can see me from here. Oh my goodness, where my tape at? Found the tape. It's a white, soft, it's not sticky. It just helps to make sure that there are no leaks when you screw your filter to the pipe. So I'm going to add some new tape to it right now. Okay. This should be enough. Oh my goodness, I have to cut this. I'll be right back. I have to use my scissors. I hope I didn't make it too thick. Alright, I'm going to put this. Okay. Oh my goodness, I forgot what side. Oh yeah. Okay, you can see, I don't even know need to see me. I'm making sure that bad boy is tight so there are no leaks. And then now I'm going to get the shower head. Okay, wait. Is this? Oh yeah, so I am attaching this. This is the shower head. And this goes in this. And this, I've had so many shower heads. I decided I just want to have this for now, but I'll probably change it down the line. I don't know. Doesn't really, it's not a big deal to me. As long as it wasn't like the last one. I like when it's handheld. So when I clean and scrub the shower, I can go. Anyway, so I'm going to attach this first. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it is leaking and I'm glad this happened so we could troubleshoot together. So I need to add some tape to that part. I am back. I had to wait until today. And you can see I have on different clothes. I had to figure out how to detach the piece from the filter. And so now I'm going to take some of the threading tape and I'm going to wrap it around the end. And then I'm going to then screw it back on and not screw it so tightly because I screwed it so tight that I had to really work to get it off. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I won't use too much. I hope you can see. Okay, you can see me. So it is the next day. I had to soak and clean my celery to make my, because I'm making some celery juice. And I'm making some yummy dinner tonight. Okay, I'm gonna have to, oh my God, you can't, oh, you can see me. You can't really see me. I have to flatten this out more. Let me show you. So I'm wrapping the threading tape around. I probably won't use this much. I cut a lot. And so I'm doing it now. I'm not going to use a lot of this. And now I'm going to cut it. So I'm not using too much of it. Oh my goodness. And now I'm going to re-screw back that piece that attaches to the shower head. Thank goodness. So you can see now that I was actually able to finally do it. I had to leave for a minute because I had to put some more threading tape on it and now it works. I'm so happy, yay. So now when I'm scrubbing and cleaning that shower, I can use the handle. Now I'm going to make my celery juice. And I am going to continue making my celery juice. I'm making me some celery juice. And now I am going to add more celery. I already started to put some in. I'm going to add more of the celery to it. And the apple. So I will just finish juicing all of this, and then we will be done. Maybe we will drink some together. Forgot I have to strain it. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. But I'm used to drinking this a lot. I'll probably drink this today. I will make more, but I'm definitely going to drink this because I need it. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I need my living foods to illuminate my cells, okay? Always grateful when I can come on here and share this with y'all. Oh my goodness. So we got to replace the shower filter. I will put that information in the description. And what else? And yeah, we made some living foods. Oh my goodness. Be sure to check out my other juicing videos, my smoothie videos, my vlogs, my wellness videos. There will be plenty of more videos. I miss my divines as always. I'm going to go ahead and make some lovely dinner for me and my son. I found this recipe that just looks so good, something that he would like, and me and him eat different in a sense, so I'm going to make a different version of it while I make his version. And he told me to make sure to not put jalapenos, and so I am going to go ahead and make some lovely dinner. And as always, I miss my divines. I want you all to continue to be well, be true to yourself, continue to be blessed. Peace, divine.